Hi, it's Kim from Winter and Sparrow. Let's make a mermaid box using an old laundry detergent container. It's really easy, but it does involve a few steps. First, you want to clean off all of the labels. Then you want to paint over your box. Then you want to add another layer of color to the box and let it dry. Finally, you need to use the mermaid tail template that I'm providing you to cut out a piece of cardboard. Use an old cardboard box or whatever you have laying around. Then you need some scrapbook paper. I recommend 2 pieces, one for each side of the mermaid tail. Trace out your template onto the scrapbook paper and then cut out that tail. The scrapbook paper you see in this video was purchased at Walmart. It was about, I think, $1 a piece. Definitely worth it. I love the colors. Now you want to glue the scrapbook paper to your cardboard on both sides. Now, since I accidentally ruined a piece of my scrapbook paper, I had to kind of cobble pieces together on the other side, and you'll see that in a moment. In order to hide where I had to cobble pieces together, I pulled out a strand of sequins and decided to make my granddaughter's initial to kind of distract from where I made a mistake, and then I just glued it on after I made the M. It's cute and hides my error. Like I said, get 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. I added a piece of nautical rope just to jazz it up a bit. And then using super glue, I just basically stuck it to the container. I put the M facing backwards, and this would be a cute container for the kids in a classroom or such. Now, I didn't paint the inside, so that yellow was kind of bothering me. Instead of painting it, I just decided to give it a girly touch and line the inside with some gimp braid. You can use rickrack, ribbon, whatever you have lying around, or you can skip this step. It's up to you. See, it adds a little girly touch to it. And my granddaughter's a girly girl, so she'll like it. Now I used 2 seashells and super glued them on the front for the mermaid top. How cute is that? You can find seashells at the dollar store if you don't have any at home. And at the bottom of my container, I decided to add some blue and green. I guess they're sequins or gemstones. I found these at Michael's. They were already in my stash, and I just lined them at the bottom. By the way, the bottom, the yellow, I did go back and cover that on the bottom. I don't want to see that yellow, so I did use it to cover the bottom. And be very careful when you're gluing on the gemstones, because I had some super glue on my finger and it accidentally pulled up some paint, so I had to go back and touch that area up. You can see it at the bottom. And now we have a mermaid style Valentine's Day box, or you can use it as a party box or a decoration, however you want to do it. You can use it to hold goodie bags or whatnot, but it's cute. It requires a few steps using something you probably have around the house. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and then hit the subscribe. Thanks so much.